I'd love to invest in notes, but I don't have $100,000. I hear this all the time. Here's the truth. You don't need $100,000 to get started. I'm Phil Gorman, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to start buying notes no matter what your budget is. There are three main ways to get into note buying. Path 1, buy a single note outright. If you have $50 to $100,000, you can find a note in that price range and buy it yourself. You become the note holder. You own it. You collect the payments. Path 2, partner with other investors. Pool your money with friends, family, or other investors. You buy a larger note or multiple notes together. You share the profits based on your investment. Path 3, invest in a note fund or syndication. Give your money to a professional note investor or fund. They buy and manage notes. You get monthly or quarterly returns. This requires the least amount of capital and expertise. So what are we talking dollar-wise? For Path 1, buying a note yourself, you typically need $50,000 minimum, but the average is $75,000 to $150,000 depending on the note market. For Path 2, partnering, you might invest $10,000 to $25,000 and partner with others. For Path 3, a fund or syndication, you might start with just $5,000 to $10,000. Some accept even less. The point is, there's a path for whatever your budget is. Here's what to do starting today. Step 1, figure out how much capital you have available, not just cash, but money you could realistically invest. Step 2, decide which path makes sense. Do you want to go it alone, partner, or invest passively? Step 3, start learning. Watch videos, read about notes, understand the fundamentals. Step 4, connect with other note investors or professionals. Find people who are already doing what you want to do. Step 5, make your first investment, start small, learn, scale. So that's how you get started buying notes. You don't need a huge bankroll. You just need to get started. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want to learn more about getting started, download my free guide, The Complete Note Buyer's Checklist. The link is below. I'm Phil Gorman. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.